morning, guys. What is up? Today is June 20th. It is the day I have been waiting for honestly a full year because I have been planning this vacation for so long. Today I'm traveling to Anaheim, California for Vidcon, which is like a huge YouTube convention that people go to. I'm so excited. This is my third year in a row going, and I'm staying with my friends Keegan and Emma, and it's gonna be so much fun. I cannot wait. Keegan and I met at our very first Vidcon, so we've been friends for so long, and Emma and I have never met in real life, so I'm like so excited to like give her a hug. I am all packed up, ready to go with my suitcase and my carry-on. My friend Kenna is gonna be my personal Uber today, and she's gonna take me to the airport, which is so nice. So, as you can tell, I'm in a really good mood, and I just really wanna get there. We're gonna meet Keegan at the airport, and then Emma is flying into LAX and then driving down to Anaheim. My Uber picked me up this morning, right on time, 5 minutes early. We're here at Starbucks. We're getting a little pick-me-up. I haven't even had breakfast yet, so this will be real nice. We got our Starbucks, we're ready to go. Let's go, ladies and gents. Let's hope it's not over 50 pounds. Have fun. Have a good week. Just a couple hours and then we're there. We got that nice clean shot. So I just landed and I got off my flight, but I have no idea where Keegan is, so I'm trying to find her. And apparently she was just here, but like I missed her or whatever, so I have no idea where she is. Oh my god, I miss you so much! How are you? Little Arizonian's cold. It's so weird to see you in real life. Keegan and I met 2 years ago to the day. You know, like we met on the first day. And now we just have to get my bag. Vlogception. We're here. So we were just chatting the whole entire time. But this is like a sneak peek. This is what the one walk that I used to is like. And there's our hotel right there. All right, we have checked into our hotel here with Keegan Acton.
It's a story.
Yeah.
So it's not really a story, but it's like an issue I'm having. My backpack keeps like pulling my shorts up, and I feel like my butt is like mooning everywhere.
Okay, wait, which one's ours? Oh! Come in. Boom, boom, boom. This is exciting. Wait, this is like a lighter.
Balcony, like I said.
Oh my god, we do have a balcony. It's a bad view though because we're on the second floor. How do I? 3, 2, 1. Hiya! Whoa!
Can I do it?
Ready, thumbnail. Bam!
Kind of hurt my leg.
Wait, I have something for you. Close your eyes. Oh, it's a little squish.
What is it?
Lotion.
Is it food lotion?
Squish. I'm so sorry. That's what happens when you pack. Keep your eyes closed.
They're closed.
Open.
Oh my god, that's huge.
Wait, let me find out. Let me find a card. Let me just fluff it up.
I wish that we were friends when you graduate college. I'm going all out.
Kiara. Happy graduation.
Okay, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna frame this.
This is for your bed because you live in Arizona, so you need like a cute little cactus. And then I just got you a couple other little things just to spice up your little desk because you always need rose gold, you know what I mean?
Kiara, you're so cute.
But this is just like so aesthetically pleasing, you know, and you can have a background in your video. This one's Keegan's bed. Anyway, I have to upload my video super quick because I told you guys I would post it on Wednesday, and it's Wednesday. So I filmed it on Monday. I edited it on the plane, and then we're gonna do thumbnail and all that jazz, so BRB. We're unloading the snacks. We got Pringles for Emma. He and I are watching my video. In bed with our snacks.
I could be a pescatarian, see?
Emma, we're waiting for you. We're trying to go to Brandy and to Lemonade and Fashion Island because we're hungry. We want a snack. We thought you were playing a prank on us. Oh my god. Wow. You were like, who is it? Well, come. What time is it? I feel like we should just go. We're registering right now for VidCon. You can't even see it. With Emma and Keegan in our code. For the first year ever, I wrote Kiara Madisen. We're here at Newport Beach. We're at Fashion Island. We're going to Brandy Mellow right now because we all need jackets. There's Lemonade. We're going back there. Look, this Brandy Mellow has like a fancy thing. I got this nice little sweatshirt, shirt, long sleeves, big fan. We all got little bracelets with the little stars on it. And I also got a little yellow top. I showed it in the vlog. We're gonna get food now because we are so hungry. Okay, Emma got her delicatessen dish. Keegan wants to try, but she's nervous to try the Brussels sprouts. When you have too many like nice girls in one place and everyone's like, no, I don't want to start without you. Like, no, you're too nice. Thank you. Look, we're in Kiara's like literal dreamland. Just find this little college freshman some bedding. This is Keegan Acton. He's gonna give me a little DIY how to remove my makeup. Wait, I feel like I need a hair tie first, right?
I'm gonna show her how to wash your face.
Oh, I feel like I don't want to waste it.
Your hands and like warm it up. Put it on your face.
It kind of low-key feels really oily, but like it feels good.
Yeah, I love it.
How long do you do it?
Until I feel like all my makeup's off. I literally don't normally do it this long. It like turns the water tan.
No, it turns the water tan.
Yeah,
because your makeup.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. All of them being like, I wonder why. Okay.
Snack time, goldfish.
This Mr.
We
Pickleball.
were watching Parenthood for a little bit and then we just got into talking. That's what we're gonna do for the rest of the night. See you tomorrow, VidCon day 1. Subscribe to Kiara's channel.
Like and subscribe.
Yes, ladies. Comment down below.
What your favorite Pringle flavor is?
Good night. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.